In this video, we're going to set the home page theme or play around with the themes for the home page. That will also show you how to do theming in general, I hope. So to know what themes are available, you should look in the includes directory for all files whose names start with theme. So let's go to our site. We'll look in the includes directory, and what we find is here are all the files at the bottom that start with theme, and you can see there's 2 for the bio page, 2 for the essays page, 3 for the home page, and 2 for the projects page. Hopefully as time goes on we'll get more and more of these, and in fact you can develop your own if you want. Okay, the way to set the theme is super simple. We're just going to supply the name of that file in the config.yaml page, I'm sorry, in the config.yaml site, and then just commit the change. So what we're going to do right now, we know that there are actually 3 built-in themes for the home page, and so we'll go to the theme home variable in config.yaml and we'll just change this 1 to a number 2 or a number 3, and we should get a different theme. So let's see how that works. Go to config.yaml and we'll hit the edit button. And now, instead of theme home being built-in 1, we'll just change that to a 2. And then we'll commit the changes. And then we'll go back to our repo and find our link. And we'll click. And there you go. There's the new, this is the theme number 2, and you can see it has a rather large image of the person. And the same data on the right. So the content doesn't change at all, it's just the layout of the pages. That may be a kind of a big image, although I will note that this is all responsive. So for example, as you get, the page gets smaller, and even if you go to a mobile site. So part of it is that I'm just, we're in a full screen browser mode. Okay, so that's that. Let's, just for fun, because we've got some time here, let's go and check out what theme number 3 looks like. So I'll change built-in number 2 to built-in number 3. Again, you know, these are all file names. This file names could basically be anything, but just I'm using the convention to make sure they're easy to find. I'll commit the changes. Now we're going to look at theme 3. So we go back up here, we click, and it hasn't yet updated. So let's, there we go. So this is another kind of card-based layout, but this time we have, instead of a small circular photo, we have the large photo. And again, you know, when you go to, well, I guess this doesn't change that much depending upon the browser or the screen size, media size. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it like that for now. We'll leave it as theme 3 for our temporary home site, and play around with these themes, find the one that you like the best, and set it using the config.yaml file.